This is not a Hollywood film clip or million-dollar VFX project. I just created this with AI. And to do that, I used the new Gemini Omni model inside Buzzy and this simple video clip. No VFX, After Effects. Just a regular video clip, Buzzy and some prompts. That's all. Now look at this one, and this one. The same clip, edited with Buzzy. And in this video, I am going to share the full workflow with you. So, let's dive in. Okay, this is Buzzy, your AI-powered video generator and video editor. And now it's powered by Google's Gemini Omni model that can combine your reference photo, background music, and style description into one cohesive video output, then refines it through natural chat. Think of it like a video Photoshop on steroids. All you've tried before comes down to 3 things. I'm going to keep coming back to these 3 things throughout this whole video, so pay attention. Number 1. Reference anything. You can combine an image, an audio track, and a text prompt all at once, and Gemini Omni fuses them into one cohesive video output. Number 2. Multi-turn refinement. Every time you type a new instruction, it builds on the previous one. It doesn't regenerate from scratch. It remembers what you did. And number 3. World knowledge. The AI actually understands physics, lighting, spatial depth, and atmosphere. It's not just slapping a background behind you. It's creating a whole world. And most importantly, it's free to start. So grab the link from the description and create an account. Okay, we are ready to go. You've got the main workspace right here with a drag and drop upload area. And up here, you've got settings where you can control things like the length of your output and the aspect ratio. And over here, you've got the inspiration section, which I'm going to show you later in the video, and that part alone is honestly worth watching for. But for now, let's start with something most of us deal with constantly: bad lighting. Alright, so I've got this clip right here, shot it indoors, the lighting is terrible, the subject looks dark, the whole thing feels kind of muddy and flat. In a traditional editor, fixing this would mean color grading, adding fill lights in post, adjusting exposure, highlights, shadows. It takes time. Watch what happens here. I am selecting the Gemini Omni model from here. Now I will upload the video clip, and then I type, right here in the chat box, I type, "The video is too dark. Add warm indoor lighting and brighten the subject's face." That's it. 1 sentence. Next, you can set the video resolution. Once done, hit the send button. The video is generating, and there it is. Look at that. The lighting is warm. The subject pops. The whole feel of the clip changed completely. And I didn't touch a single slider. But here's where it gets really interesting, because now I'm going to type a second instruction. I'm going to type, "Brighten the subject's face a little more and reduce the shadows under their chin." This time, it will create a preview. If you are satisfied with the result, confirm it or regenerate it again. See that? It didn't start over. It didn't regenerate the whole thing from scratch. It took what it already did, the warm lighting, and it just added to it, refined it, like talking to an editor and saying, "Yeah, that's great. Just a little more of that." This is multi-turn refinement. Each instruction builds on the last. And this is the thing that separates Buzzy from literally every other AI video tool I've tested. Okay, let's take it up a notch, because this next one is where my jaw actually dropped the first time I tried it. I've got a clip here of someone singing a song, standard setup. But the background is boring. It's just a plain wall. So I want to change it. I'm going to type, "Replace the background with a modern minimalist studio." Done. Clean, simple, professional-looking studio. Looks like it was shot there. But here's where it gets crazy. Watch what happens when I push it further. I'm going to type, "Replace the background with a Ghibli countryside scene. Lush rolling hills, soft golden hour light, distant mountains." Okay, look at that. Now most AI tools, when you ask for a background swap, they basically just paste a flat image behind you. But what Gemini Omni is doing here is completely different. Those hills have correct perspective. They recede into the distance properly. The golden hour light is actually casting from the right direction, and it's matching how the light falls on the subject in the foreground. The atmosphere has depth. There's haze on the distant mountains. It's not just pasting a picture, it's building a world. And that's what I mean by world knowledge. The model understands how light works, how distance works, how atmosphere works, because it's been trained on the real world, and it applies all of that to your footage automatically. Okay, next, look at this video. I love this. but there is a dog at the start of the video, and I want to remove it. Let's give it a try with Buzzy. I am uploading the video clip and typing, "Remove the dog from the video." Just this. The video is generating, and here it is. The video is ready. You can see that the dog was removed from the video completely. No blurry, no flicker. It looks like the dog was never in the video. So, we don't need to worry about unwanted objects from any video. Okay, now let's talk about something exciting. I have this video, and I want to turn it into a transformation video with this dress. I will upload both the video and the images, and then I will enter the prompt. Once done, I will just hit the send button, and here it is. I got this result. This is really amazing. So now we can create amazing transformation videos with any character and outfit like that. This next step is one of my favorites because it shows you how Buzzy combines two of those three core features at the same time. So I've got a talking head clip here. The person is looking slightly off camera, maybe to the side, maybe down at their notes. And when that happens, it breaks the connection with the viewer. That eye contact matters. Here's what I do. I upload the talking head clip, and at the same time, I upload a reference photo of the same person looking directly into the lens, making proper eye contact with the camera. And then I type, "Adjust the eye gaze so the person looks directly into the camera," matching the reference photo. And there it is. The eyes are corrected. They're looking straight at the viewer. The identity is completely preserved. Same face, same expression. Just the gaze is fixed. This is reference anything and multi-turn refinement working together in one move. You gave it a visual reference, a text instruction, and it understood exactly what you wanted. Alright, now let's say I have this video clip and I want to make a commercial video for this mango juice with this video. I am uploading the video clip and then uploading the product image. Now, I just have to enter the detailed prompt and generate the video. And here it is, the video is ready. Look at this. This looks like $1 million commercial video. I love it. Okay, I saved the best for last. Over here in Buzzy, there's this section called Inspiration. And what it does is pull trending video ideas from TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, all in one place. Look at all of these. These are real trending videos. And see these numbers? Some of these have 4, 5, 6 million views. These are the formats that are working right now. So let's say I pick this one. I upload my own product footage, and I hit recreate. What Gemini Omni is doing right now is analyzing the style, the pacing, the energy, the cuts, the feel of that viral video, and then it's generating a new version with my footage. Not a copy. A new original clip that captures what made that video work. Not only that, you can create transformation videos like this. Trendy video edits like this, add elements to the video, and many more. So let's bring it all home. Buzzy is powered by Google's Gemini Omni model. And the reason it works so differently from everything else you've tried comes down to those three things I kept coming back to. And the best part? It's free to start. Link is in the description. Go try it right now. If this video helped you, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.